Kangana Ranaut's emergency sparks anger among Sikh organizations. Australia Sikh Council demands ban on Kangana's movie Emergency in Australia, citing unrest in Sikh Punjabi community and pro-Hindu in Australia. The council has written to Cinema Management of Australia. In Punjab, the movie is already into controversy before its release as the SGBC, Shri Akal Takht Sahib, the Shiromani Akali Dal, Independent MP Sarabjit Khalsa have opposed it and demanded a ban on this particular film. Aman Bhardwaj has got more details on that story. He joins us from Chandigarh at this point in time. Talk to us about the series of opposition. In fact, those groups rather, opposition opposing this particular release of the film, saying that this could in fact trigger problems, this could trigger violence. It's a sensitive topic. What exactly is the opposition right here by the Australia Sikh Council? Aman.
Whenever Kangana speaks related to any issue Punjab, so it just drag her into controversies, and that controversy even led her to airport slapping a CISF Kulvinder Kaur when she slapped Kangana, and that was the part of that controversy also. This time her movie Emergency, portraying Punjab and incident of 1984 when Shri Akal Takht Sahib was targeted. So that whole scene dragged Kangana into controversy, and it was initially first the issue was raised by independent member parliament Sarabjit Singh Khalsa from Faridkot, whose father was the Satwant Singh, who attacked then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. So the issue was raised by him, and then after it went on to SGPC chief Harjinder Singh Dhami, then Akali Dal, Shiromani Akali Dal, and member parliament Harsimrat Kaur Badal. Then several parties registered their opinion with the differences with the Kangana Ranaut's statement over emergency and over farmers. Today also in an interview, Kangana Ranaut made remarks over farmers, over Delhi's farmers agitation, which raised to another controversy of Kangana's statements. And the major demand is to ban the movie in Punjab. Also in Australia, the Sikh Council has written to the cinema management to ban the movie in Australia as well, as the movie is portraying anti-Sikh scenes where Bhindranwala's statements are being distorted and is being portrayed in a way that the Punjabis or the Sikh community is being defamed. So seeing that a ban is demanded on the movie, and also Kangana has been asked to withdraw the statements that she been making over the farmers or the right.
Thanking you for the moment,
yes,
for getting us up to speed with those details. Aman Bhardwaj, with the latest controversy surrounding Kangana Ranaut's movie, The Emergency.